Good morning. I have breakfast here, guys. It's um fried rice with buttered shrimp. Ayan, ang sarap nito, guys. Nako si Mingming. Alis diyan, Mingming. Hmm. Alis diyan, Ming. Ayan si Mingming, guys. Nag-ano na naman. Si Mingming, guys, nang gugulo sa aking sa aking live. Mingming. Gugulo sa aking video, guys, si Mingming. Ayan, let's eat. Kain tayo. My breakfast for today. Uh, it's fried rice with tomato. With tomato, with carrots and patatas. Hi, good morning everyone. Ito yung aking breakfast ngayon, guys. So many rice. OMG. The hipon. Charan. My favorite. Buttered shrimp. I love it. Sip-sipin natin yung ulo, guys, kasi dito yung masarap. Ming! Miming! Ming! Miming! Yan si Mingming, guys, nag-aabang na sa ating aabang na si Mingming, guys. Ayan. Later, papakainin natin si Mingming. One of my favorite, guys, the buttered shrimp. I love it. Let's eat. It's a bare months na, guys. I'm so excited now. Ayan. 24 days na lang Pasko na. 24 days na lang, guys. Pasko na. So, ayan. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy ourselves, guys, because life is short. Enjoy lang tayo. Because Christmas is coming. So, dapat lagi tayong masaya, guys, para lagi tayong maganda. Lagi tayong maganda, guys. Lagi tayong maganda. Ayan. And guys, ang sarap ng ating fried rice. And kung kayo may bahaw, guys, gawin nyo lang siyang fried rice para hindi masayang para makain nyo. May carrot siya, guys, tsaka patatas. Ang sarap. Love it. Yummy. Sarap. Ayan, ito lang, guys, sapat na. Sapat na sa aking guys. Ulo. Sipsipin ang ulo. Ayan, kasi nasa ulo daw ang sustansya, guys. Nasa ulo ang sarap. Sarap. Sarap na ating guys. Love it. I love it. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. And I'm finished now. Mm. Finished na akong food.